Oh, so here we are at Dublin Drive. My bike's just turned up off the ferry, or off the boat, whatever it is, through customs and all that. It's got to be PDI'd yet, but I was nearby, so I thought I'd come and have a gander. Ooh, suit you, sir. Oh, yeah. My God, they're broken already. Oh.
So it's all getting the TPS sensor done.
My God, that's lovely, Derek.
Isn't it?
Isn't it? What a colour.
Yeah, stunning. Nice little depth to it.
It's a real contrast on this black as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheers, you know, SpongeBob. They got nice tyres on it, haven't they?
Mm-hmm.